Your assignment for this section, guys, is to create an intro for your video. Place, resize, and animate 3 or even 4 clips if you like. There are no rules on which clip to use. You can use any combination of clips you want. And of course, add some text and try your hand on the fader. To simplify the workflow, first work on a single clip and use the paste attribute option with the right attributes, of course. In the next lecture, you will find a tutorial demonstrating how this intro can be achieved. This will be one way, there are many other ways. But please, before you jump to the tutorial, try your best to complete this assignment. I am sure you will do a great job. And remember, if you create an awesome intro, upload it to any social media of your choice. And paste the link in the Q&A. I'll be very interested to see your work, and I'm sure many students will love to be inspired by your achievement. So jump to Resolve 15 and start creating your intro. I'll see you in the tutorial in the next lecture.